From my YouTube channel, I assume you have watched my previous episode 57, 58, 59, 60. I assume you have watched my previous video episode 60. Show more, download current video source code, show in folder, unzip it, rename 61 hanging curtain, copy, paste it in your working directory. Open up Visual Studio Code, Electricity and Magnetism. From folder 61, open spring.cpp. Ctrl V. I assume you have watched my previous videos listed here. Scroll down, points X. I will set it 31. Points Y. I will set it 20. Scroll down. In the function startup, in this section, we initialize our simulation. Initial position, the last component represents mass. I will set it I modulo 5 is 0. Then 5.f, else 1.0. It should be equal. Now we have uneven mass distribution. Uneven mass distribution. Open up this command prompt. cd 061 hanging curtain icx cl spring.cpp at resp.txt. Hit enter. cls I. Now this is hanging curtain simulation. We have uneven mass distribution.